Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are making Uziza and waterleaf soup. You might be familiar with waterleaf and bitter leaf for the Calabar bitter leaf style soup, or edikaiko waterleaf and pumpkin leaf. But this is so special, it is Uziza and water leaves. So guys, if you want to see how this my delicious soup is being made, then watch this video to the end. So guys, for the soup, Uziza and water leaf, we'll be using the following. We are using goat meat and cow skin. You can use any protein of your choice. We are using this dried catfish, stockfish fillet, some periwinkle, palm oil, Uziza seed, some crayfish, bouillon cube, dry pepper, chopped onions, and of course, the Uziza leaves, thoroughly washed, and then the water leaf. So what we'll do now is to put the meat on the fire, let it start cooking before we cut the vegetables. So guys, in the pot, I'll pour in the meat, then I'll add in chopped onions, I'll add in some salt, pepper mix so your meat will be so spicy. Then I'll cover the pot. Yeah, I forgot to add my bouillon cube. I'll add in the bouillon cube now, cover the pot and let it boil with its own juice before I add some more water. So guys, while the meat is cooking, it's now time for me to slice the Uziza leaves and then the water leaf. I'll start with the Uziza leaf. So you can see what I've just done here. Part it, cut at the middle, fold it, then you start cutting thinly. You know that Uziza leaf is a bit hard, so you cut thinly. So guys, I'm done cutting the Uziza leaf. You can see how thinly I cut them. So now I'll continue cutting the water leaves. So guys, you can see that the meat is boiling with its own juice. So I'll add in some more water and let it keep cooking. You know that goat meat is a bit difficult to boil, especially when it's a female goat. It takes some time. So I'll cover the pot now and let it keep cooking. So my people, you can see the meat is still boiling. It's boiling for like 40 minutes. The water is gone down. So now we can keep cooking. So what I'll do now, I'll add the stockfish fillet so it gets a bit softened. I'll add in some crayfish. I'll add in Uziza seed. This is a must. Uziza seed is a must. Then I'll add in palm oil. Add in some more water. Stir the pot and let it keep cooking. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook. Keep liking, keep sharing, and leave a comment, please, so I'll know where you're watching from, so I can give you a hug. So I'll add in some pepper. Though you know we added some pepper when we were boiling the meat, but if you cannot tolerate the heat, please do not add so much pepper so you can enjoy your soup. So I'll cover the pot now and let it keep bubbling. So guys, this is what we have now. At this point, the aroma in my kitchen is so amazing. So I'll add in the periwinkle, add in the dried catfish, then I'll add in the Uziza leaf because you know it's a bit hard. So I'll just add it so it can cook a bit before I add in the water leaf. Then I'll add in some more crayfish to go with it so it will be more tasteful. Then I'll cover the pot and let it simmer a bit. So I'll add in the water leaf now. When you are done cutting the water leaf, you wash it a bit to take out some of the slime. So I'll just pour it in, then I'll add in some more crayfish. After adding the crayfish, I'll stir, then keep it to simmer for like 2 minutes. And guys, our soup is ready. But first of all, you have to taste for salt if the salt is okay. Wow, isn't this amazing? Just keep sharing and keep leaving your comments for me so I can know where you are watching from. So let me just taste for salt. Wow, the salt is okay. And that Uziza seed just gave it this our local taste, which makes the soup so delicious. This can go with any fufu of your choice: semolina, semovita, eggplant, cabbage fufu. It can go, but I'll be taking mine with some hot eba, which is gari. So let it cook for like 2 minutes, and then I'll turn off the heat while I go and make my hot eba. So my people, this is after 2 minutes. Our soup is ready. Get your swallow ready for some of this our delicious soup. So guys, come with your swallow. Food is ready. Uziza and water leaf soup, so delicious. Guys, thank you for watching me, and I will see you in my next. Thank you and bye bye.